Today, we are making crispy aloo tikki with fresh green chutney.
Let's start by taking 4 medium-sized boiled potatoes.
Now add 1 finely chopped onion and 1 green chili.
Add salt, red chili powder, chaat masala, and a pinch of turmeric.
Now shape small round patties with your hands, cute little tikkis.
Let them fry until golden brown on one side.
Fry until both sides are evenly crispy and golden.
Take a handful of mint leaves, coriander, and 1 green chili.
Now let's prepare our green chutney. Now place the crispy tikkis on a serving plate. Try this recipe today and enjoy crispy tikkis at home. Please. You can also serve it with ketchup or tamarind sauce for variety. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this recipe video.